Hey there everyone, this is Mike Thomas here at MikeFromMaine.com. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can actually go out there and start making money with ranksnap 3.0 starting today. Now this is really simple. A lot of people overcomplicate this, and it's just something that I really want to stress to you that there are so many ways that you can go out there and make money online. It's ridiculous. And this is going to be one of them, that now that you have this tool that you can go out there and actually do this using this tool, using this as a secret weapon. You have commercial rights right on the front end, meaning that you can provide this as a service to other people. So not only can you use it to rank your own websites and videos, you can even use it to sell as a service, and that is super powerful. This thing that I'm about to show you is something that I used to actually pay people to do for me. And that's because I didn't have time to do it. I didn't have a software to do it. And there are tons of people that are out there willing to pay you. So the first way I'm going to show you a couple ways today. First one is good old Fiverr. It's one of my favorite places. I personally made thousands on Fiverr. Now you can go out there and do that as well. With this here, if you just go and I just did a very basic search, build backlinks, or you can search for link building backlinks. So many different services out there. People are building links for other people. They're building these just like 100 high quality backlinks here. SEO, do follow backlinks. Like just tons of different kinds of backlinks out there. 200 high PR authority SEO backlinks. So I mean, there's I would do 40 link building backlinks SEO service. Just tons and tons of different services out here. And there's some people that are more successful than others. So here's my advice to you: is to look at the ones that are selling well. Look at the ones that are doing the most sales. You can actually go over here and you can look at best selling. If you do a search here, and you can see which ones are doing the best here with this expert quality link building here. This guy, he's selling here. This guy's got 20 of them at $35 here doing these links. And you can use these as part of a package. Put together your own link building package and sell them on Fiverr. So it's just a great way. Just go ahead and put up a gig here. Really easy to set up a gig on Fiverr. You can just go in there and start selling. And even if you get just 1 or 2 orders a month, you're going to start building up your portfolio. You're going to start figuring out what people want. Maybe you've got some other services that you can provide as well. But thinking about what kind of value that you can give to these people. And inside of ranksnap 3.0, you can even create there's an option in there for you to create a list of the links that you've built for people. You can give them a link to all the links that you're building for them, and they're going to be happy with that. You can start building links for customers. The next one is for videos. Now, with these links that this software builds, I don't recommend that you just take you just build direct links to your website. You don't want to do that. What you want to do with that is you want to go and you want to be building links to other properties like they have you do, like the link wheels that they have you building inside of the software. So what you want to do with that, this is a video right here, and it's really quite easy to rank in YouTube. This one right here, it's ranking here. It's number 3 in YouTube. If you look on Google, this video right here, it's right at the top here, the top videos, and you can see these other people. What they're doing is they're building links to their videos. They've got a bunch of links like the one in ranksnap 3.0, and all you need to do is build up just a few links to videos like this, and it will push it up in YouTube. And that's the amazing part of this. So my recommendation for you is to go out there, and if you're creating review videos, if you've got any videos, you can use that for your YouTube videos as well, to be able to get more traffic and to get more sales and to make money from that as well. Now there's other websites out there as well. You can use it on places like freelancer.com. If you go to like freelancer.com, you can go out there and you can do link building services as well. If you go to browse jobs and you search for like link building, there's good people out here that are charging to build links for them. Let's see, that's backlinks. Let's just do search for backlinks here. That are looking for people to do SEO for them, to a backlinks builder. This person's making $18 an hour. This person is doing website SEO and high quality backlinks for $90 an hour. I mean, even if you were just making like 20 bucks an hour doing this, I mean, it'd be worth it. This guy right here, $96 He says, I'm looking for some backlinks here, and he wants specific ones. But there's just tons of people there looking for backlinks for their websites. And you can find all these different jobs here. Go through, and you now have the tools to be able to do that using the power of the software. But again, my advice to you is if you haven't made any money online yet, and you're looking to just make your first few dollars online, go on Fiverr. It's just you don't have to spend any money on traffic. The traffic's already built right in. You just need to look at what other people are doing here, and just mimic what they're doing. You can check in here, see what these people are doing, see what's working for them. Look at the text that they have here. Don't just copy it, but mimic it, and create your own listings, and you'll start getting your own orders in no time and be able to monetize RankSnap 3.0. Thanks.